paano kayo makakapag-start ng inyong business sa travel agency industry. So, we wanted to make na gawin tong video na to as simplest, no, as much as possible. Kasi, ang tutorial masterclass na ginagawa ko is basically a one-on-one training na i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ako nag-start and paano ako nagawa ko yung business na yon in no time. It started 2021 when pandemic start, and as of now we venture to full-time na talaga, no, as a travel agency. As you can see, makikita nyo dito ako sa space sa New Horizon Mall. Nandito ako sa nakapwesto ako. And if you would think, kung titignan mo yung area and the business itself, maiisip mo na parang ang laki ng investment na ginawa ko to start this, no? So some of you will think na malaking halaga ang ininvest ko para gawin to. And